Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will take you guys along as I take down my cornrow braids. I am 5 weeks post relaxer and this cornrow braid is 3 weeks old. So I'm checking my hair for new hair growth. What do you think? Do I have a very massive new hair growth? Well, these are the items I'll be using to take down my cornrow braids. A scissors comb, hair pack, and the Lush leave-in treatment plus my hair oil. Now that for the hair oil, I made it myself. And if you are interested, you want to know how I make the oil, just drop a comment and I'll do well to make a video on how I make my hair oil. So I'm cutting the tips of the cornrow braids. I'm cutting them out, although I struggle a lot because I don't have a big mirror. I'm using a pocket size mirror. I place it on my laps, so that's how I do it. But don't worry, I did not cut any of my hair. My hair is far more shorter than where I'm cutting the tip. So for the hair oil, I applied it 2 times a week. Yeah, I oiled my scalp 2 times a week when I had this cornrow braid on. Now when it comes to my relaxed hair, I really want to be intentional about my routines because I noticed that I don't have a consistent routine and my hair is breaking a whole lot because of the things I do to my hair. For example, I relax my hair more often and I use heat a lot on my hair, which cause a lot of hair breakage. But we are going to fix it out soon. So that is the reason why I'm taking down this cornrow, because I want to fix my hair. I want to repair it because it's breaking a whole lot. My hair is not in its healthy state. Now when it comes to taking down your braids, you should ensure you moisturize your hair. Yeah, you have to moisturize your hair with a moisturizer. So for me, I use the Lush leave-in treatment and then I use my oil to moisturize my hair. So now I'm taking down my braid, my cornrow. So when it comes to taking down your braids, please take your time. Take your time while you're doing this, because it's not to have your hair on a protective style, but the issue is to retain the length. So this is the main part when it comes to retaining length, because if you take down your braids in a wrong way, you will lose a lot of hair. You wouldn't be able to retain length. So that's the number one reason why you have to take your time when taking down your braids. Second, it's advisable to use your fingers to detangle your hair carefully and then apply moisturizer to your hair when you loosen it out. Apply with the use of moisturizer, it will help you to detangle your hair, which is what I just did. So moisturizing your hair is key to length retention when you are taking down your braids. So do well to take your time, take it easy on yourself. For this braid, for the takedown of this braid, it took me in total 54 minutes to take this cornrow down. So Like I said, take your time. Don't rush, okay? So it seems I've been talking a whole lot. So let me give you guys time to watch the video, okay? So I want to say something to my girlies who are just like me that have setbacks on their hair, their relaxed hair, or have breakage or any kind of, or who are not consistent in general in their hair care, or wants to start taking good care of their relaxed hair. I will advise you to, I will encourage you to start with me, because as I'm taking down this braid, I'm going to be very intentional with my hair. I want to invest in my hair. I want to take my relaxed hair journey serious this time around, both with my consistency and whatever thing I apply to my hair and the overall care of my relaxed hair. So I'll encourage you, we start the journey together, because this journey is going to be like a long time one. It's going to be like a series or a kind of a challenge. Yeah, because we all have goals for our hair in which we are going to try to achieve it. So first for me, I want to apply a deep protein treatment to my hair to help restore my hair, because my hair has been breaking a whole lot, like I said, because of too much of heat, too much of heat to my hair, and also relaxing my hair for a whole lot. For example, this year I've relaxed my hair 3 times. Mind you, this is by the time I'm taking down this braid, this is April. Now from January to April, I've relaxed my hair 3 times, which is very, very bad. It's not advisable. at all. So my hair breaking, I myself know the reason why. I know the reason why. So when it comes to growing your relaxed hair, you have to educate yourself. You have to know the things you need to avoid and the things you need to do when it comes to your relaxed hair. So when you educate yourself, it will help you in your journey. It will help you in growing your hair. So knowing that heat, too much of heat is not good for my hair, is one of the things I've learned to. I'm going to apply it. I'm going to apply what I've learned because I want to grow my relaxed hair. So like I said, take your time when you take down your braids, okay? Take your time. So that's what I just wanted to say. If you have watched this video to this part, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this video, turn on the notification bell so that when anytime I post a new video, you'll be notified. Okay, if you have any suggestion, please drop it in the comment section. And if you are going to start your hair growth journey with me, please do well to also say that, comment in the comment section. Let us be accountability partners. Okay, let's be accountability partners in this space. So this is the hair that I lost while taking down the braids, and after combing my hair in total, you're going to see the hair I lost in total after combing and taking down my braids. So what do you guys think? Did I really lost a lot of hair? What do you guys think? Please drop your comments in the comment section. Okay, so this is what I lost when I combed my hair. That's what I lost, and in total, this everything, the detangling plus the combing of my hair. So thank you guys for watching my video. Thanks for watching this video to this very end. Please support your girl. I know my voice over is really bad. I'm just learning. I'm just trying. I'm just trying. This is my first time doing voice over, so I don't know. We learn every day. So I'm gonna do better. Okay, I'm gonna do better for you guys. Thank you. So see you guys in my next video. In my next video, I'll be updating you guys on my protein treatment that I'll be applying to my hair to help restore my hair breakage. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.